Hello there, my dear friends. Do you ever find it difficult to talk about your daily life in English? Today, we are going to change that together. I will help you learn how to tell your own story. Welcome to our channel, English Practice PB. I am so happy you are here with me today. Before we begin, please click the subscribe button. It helps me help more students like you. Are you ready to start our lesson? Let us talk about what a normal day looks like. Usually, I open my eyes around 8 in the morning. To be honest, I am not really a morning person. Do you like waking up early? Right after I get up, I make my bed so it looks neat. Then I say a warm hello to my family. I live with my wonderful parents and my siblings. After that, I head straight to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water and brush my teeth. Sometimes, I feel like cooking a nice breakfast. But since I work every day, I cannot always do it. If I am feeling energetic, I make food for everyone. My usual meal is just some cheese and bread with tea. I stay away from coffee in the morning hours. I prefer to save my coffee for the afternoon. While I eat, I quickly check my phone for messages. I look at my emails for a few minutes too. My mother often helps me by making breakfast. Sometimes I can be a little bit lazy. After eating, it is time to put on my clothes for work. I have a special uniform that I must wear. It is a beautiful combination of black and red. I really like how it looks on me. Then, I say goodbye and leave my home. I always drive my own car to the office. I do not really like taking the bus or a taxi. My office is actually quite close to my house. It only takes me about 10 minutes to get there. I use my key to open the door every single morning. Seeing my office always makes me feel so glad. It is a very comfortable and pretty place to be. It is not a big office, but it is perfect for me. I spend about 8 hours working there each day. My workday officially starts at 10 o'clock. First, I sit down and write my plan for the day. Then, I turn on my laptop to start my tasks. Checking my emails is a very important part of my job. Sometimes, I play some music while I work. I really enjoy listening to rap and pop songs. In the middle of the day, I take a little break. Then, it is time for me to have some lunch. I often order food from a nearby restaurant. There is a very good place right by my office. Once I finish eating, I get back to my work. Around 2 o'clock, I finally have my coffee. I love eating a tiny piece of chocolate with it. It is a very nice treat during a busy day. After that, I spend time recording new videos. I love recording because I can teach my friends. When I finish my videos, my workday is done. It is finally time for me to head back home. I love spending my evenings with my family members. I lock up my office and go to my sweet home. Seeing my mother and father makes me very happy. We sit together and drink a warm cup of tea. Later, I go to my room and think about my future. I have so many big dreams and goals for my life. I truly believe in myself and what I can do. I know I must work very hard to reach my dreams. I am young, smart, and I am a hard worker. I really enjoy the quiet time late at night. After thinking about my goals, I get ready for bed. I wash my face and brush my teeth once more. I also pick out my clothes for the next day. Before I sleep, I like to read a few pages of a book. Reading can teach us so many important things. It is very necessary for our lives and our careers. I think everyone should read a little bit every day. Then I put my book away and turn off the lights. I close my eyes and fall into a deep sleep. Remember, every new day is a fresh chance for you. We should stay positive and keep trying for our dreams. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow English Practice PB. Do not forget to like the video and leave a comment. I would love to hear about your daily routine too. Goodbye for now, and I will see you in the next video.